sad day. Beautiful out here though. So I'm right on top of the bait fish school right now. You can see it on my sonar, it's gigantic. So my baits should be hitting it pretty soon. I'm running #1 planers, so they should be about 10 feet down. Going straight to the middle of that school. Now we just see if anything hits. Yep, we got a fish on. I got a fish on both of them. Got fish on both. Wow, this is gonna be fun trying to do this. All right, come on. This is for you, MeeMoo. All right, let's get this first one in. Oh, feels a little meaty. Let's see what we got. Yep. Oh yeah, what do we got here? A bonito, nice bonito. That's sushi right there. Okay, get him in the ice chest. Make sure I don't run over my other line. Where is it? It's up there. Gotta bleed this guy out so the meat doesn't go bad. All right, let's get the other one in. All right, #2. All right, this one doesn't feel as big. If there's anything on there. Sure as heck doesn't feel like it. Oh, let's see. Is there a fish on the end of this line? Well, maybe. There is little. There's something there. Let's see what we got. Another sushi fish. Another bonito sushi fish. Always a good size one too. Yep, those are good for sushi. These are bonito. They're basically tuna. Just little tuna. All right, so that's 3 bonito in the box. Happy MeeMoo Day. All right, time to get them back out. Do it again. All right. I'll get back to you here if I get more. There we go, got one. There we go. About time. Knew that was coming. There we go. Nice fish. There we go. What do we got? Bonito, it looks like. Oh, yeah. Nice little one. Nice bonito. Little bonito. That's sushi right there, guys. I'm going to continue this. I'll hit the video if I get more on. I'm approaching this bait school again. I got 2 lines out again, just like before. You can see the birds hitting the water. Up, 1 line on. Okay, let's get that one in. We got 1 fish. That's good. my other line or suck up my line. All right, here we go. Let's see what we get. All right. Come on, buddy. Got some heft to him. Try another bonito. How many bonito do I need? Enough for the whole neighborhood, I guess. Another bonito. Yay. Gonna have sushi for a month. Alright. Let's get him in the cooler. Then we can get moving again. Letting you guys know, every time I go through this bait pool or bait pot, I'm getting two bonitos. I'm gonna stop videoing them. It's just kind of getting to be a hassle, but I'll post these videos tonight and let you know the whole tally. Right now I've gotten 7, so I'll keep you updated. Bye.